lihtne Tero on, aga muidugi ka heas mõttes. Ta on alati väga pühendunud fotograafiale. Tere, minu nimi on Teron ja ma tegin mu teema oli raba. Ma tegin nendest raba piltidest video kokku. Vaatame.
Äkki saab keegi tulla sul appi?
Lapsed juba on. Teavad, mis teha. I want you by my side so that I'll never feel alone again. They've always been so kind, but never brought you away from me. I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart is too strong anyway. You need to touch back the time they have stolen from us. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dance on. Do the boogie all night long. Stolen paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced.
Kuidas teile see meeldib? Kuidas sa planeerisid enda aega? Ma ei oska seda öelda. Ilmselt mailis. Väga hea vastus. Mida sa tahtsid selle tööga õppida? Paremini loodust pildistada. Okei, võid minna.